Nice to see you, Bob.
Hi Josh, I thought I would never have seen you here. Well, have meet my friend George. I meet him 19 years ago. Yay, yay. George, you're right, he is nice. Okay, bye George. See ya soon, George. Josh, I'm going to order my food now. I will be back soon. I will have an whipped cream coffee with egg sandwich. The most sad thing is that they make you spend $5 on two things.
I went to the TV shop on Wednesday.
Good.
Ha 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 ha.
Hey guy, talking to yourself. Your coffee is ready.
I myself have seen the 1975 Love movie, and it was very good too. You're right, I do have $5 to buy a coffee and egg sandwich. No, I am not getting a stupid Regaga coffee. I am getting the whipped cream coffee. Dude, it's cost $4. I will have $1 egg sandwich with it. No, you like that whipped cream coffee too, you're great.